Look out, man. We up here live, man. I'm over here trying to get this car working. Getting all these parts taken off. About to get some more stuff put back on. Gotta get ready for old, what's that? Gotta get ready for these people that tell me they want to race. Yeah. Let's see, so. Yeah. About to get this thing ready. Don't believe them not. Hey, scared of me. Please don't be scared of me. You. Hey. Please don't be scared of me. Please don't be scared of me. Oh. I don't know if it's working. Man, act like it ain't. Let me see what my comments talking about. I ain't been able to see my comments. Let me see. One time for the, look y'all, my shit on flat. Finna have to get some new tires. Finna have to get me some new tires, man. Get this suspension redone. Okay, it's back. Oh, it's probably, oh, I forgot about that. It's probably trying to switch from Wi-Fi and stuff. I thought I had a good connection. Yeah, but I done already got the old supercharger taken off. Yeah, I got that supercharger out. Yeah, man. I'm finna whoop in with some factory shit. They probably, this dude probably has a Kong 2650. See? Stop. Finna do it with some stop. No port. Yeah. About to whoop him with some stock. Ooh, where their mouth gonna drop. They be like, look out, can you stop? I be like, I ain't got no brakes. Pulling up, about to go and make me a shake. Ooh, I know some of y'all gon' hate. Pull up, but it's coming out too late. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Dang. I was looking at that and filled up with one already. Okay, we getting everything took. Internet don't want to work in the shop. Yeah, it's tripping. Yeah, it's too far. I was trying to stay connected to Wi-Fi, but hell, it's too far. I ain't gonna be forcing. I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm up in here working on it. Trying to get it done. Look out. I ain't gonna be forcing. I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm up in here working on it. Trying to get it done. Look out.